Hi and welcome to my Python YouTube channel. It's awesome to have you here. If you like this video, a thumbs up would be great. And make sure to subscribe for future videos. I also have a blog at prosperacoder.com with lots of cool stuff, so feel free to check it out. Today we'll learn how to iterate over ranges. If you want to learn more about ranges in general, you can watch my video about them. If you want to repeat some code a fixed number of times, you can use a range. A range is a sequence of numbers, so you can use it to determine how many times the loop should run. Naturally, you also have access to each element of the range, so each number, by means of the variable used for iteration. So, if you want the loop to run 5 times, you pass 5 to the range function. For I in a range 5, print, this is round number, and the string representation of the number being the loop variable increased by 1. Fine, enter, enter. This is round 1, this is round number 2, 3, and so on. You could also rewrite this code using the version of the range function with 2 parameters. So, for I in range from 1 to 6, print, this is round number, and now let's not increase it by 1, let's just leave it as is. Fine. This is round number 1, this is round number 2, and so on. Here, the upper bound, 6, is not included. In each loop run, the variable I takes the value of the next element in the range. So in the first loop run, its value is 1. In the next, it's 2. Then it's 3 and so on up to 5. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.